Ladies and gentlemen, it's my honor to be here today. My topic is Protect Our Planet Together. Recently, the increasing frequency of the extreme weather events due to the climate change has shown that the situation of the global warming has become more and more severe. In response, many countries take action to protect our planet. So today, I will discuss what action that Taiwan and the States take to protect the environment, and also what Taiwan and the States can learn from each other. First of all, I would like to start with Taiwan's achievement in protecting the environment. As you can see, Taiwan was ranked 5th in the world top 25 municipal solid waste recycler. And how does Taiwan manage to have this honor? In Taiwan, there are policies that promote their recycling system. For example, there are diverse and convenient ways to collect used batteries, which people can also get rewards while they recycle. Likewise, all used cars, waste electric appliances, paper, glass, plastic, aluminum, and so on. And there are more than this help people on this island keep the environment clean and sustainable for living. Second, how about the state? As the graph provided by Environmental Performance Index shown, in the field of air quality, America was ranked 16th in the world, which is much better than that of Taiwan's. So what have the United States done to reduce their air pollution and raise their sustainability? They efficiently spur the innovation of cleaner cars and fuels. For example, gas-electric hybrid vehicles, idle reduction technologies, and also using vehicle emission controlling system. These are the policies that Taiwan can learn from the states to improve our environmental quality. Third, I would like to talk about the partnership between Taiwan and the United States. Recently, the relationship between Environmental Protection Agency of Taiwan and the United States Environmental Protection Agency is become more closer. And they have promoted a lot for projects. For example, improving air quality, reducing the exposure to mercury, promoting environmental education, cleaning up waste, restoring the groundwater, and restoring contaminated groundwater and soil, and also building up supportive institutions and eco-friendly infrastructures. These are the ongoing projects that over those two sides. In particular, I would like to focus on reducing the exposure to mercury. As you can see on the map, this shows the global mercury emission. As you can see, in Asia, there has been the largest amount of mercury emitted. And to reduce the emission of mercury, the Taiwan and the United States Environmental Protection Agency launched the Asia Pacific Mercury Monitoring Network, so-called APMM together. They stress data, tools, information, and technology to expand coordinate mercury monitoring network in Asia Pacific region. And it also provides scientists and environmentalists support and training, which help them develop mercury data useful to regional and global users. And also, APMM has held a lot of events and training programs to help us know more about mercury emission issues and how we can fix it. And also, in 2017, we sent new wet deposition samples to Vietnam, Thailand, and Philippines, which can help them efficiently detect the emission of mercury. And this deepens our cooperation between Taiwan, the States, and the other Southeast Asian countries in the mercury monitoring. So how can this cooperative experience can be and help? First, I think it can help to promote this successful system to the world. As you can see on map, Africa also emits a huge amount of mercury, but the fluctuation there is not as capable as ours. So I think promoting this system can efficiently decrease the amount of mercury that has emitted, and also help people there live free from the harm of toxic. Secondly, I think it can help underdeveloped countries building up their own recycling system. After decreasing the amount of mercury that have emitted, building up a mercury recycling system is also very important. Setting up a mercury monitoring network is not enough, but helping them to build up their own mercury recycling system is definitely needed as well. Third, I want to talk about, I think it can decrease the demand of the product with mercury. As we're trying to limit the usage of that, the demand goes down. And I think it can efficiently help more people on this planet get rid of the harm of toxics and also preserve our beautiful planet, Earth. In conclusion, we have to remember that Earth is our home. We definitely have the obligation to protect it. Please imagine that in the future, there could be no land to live and everywhere exposed to disastrous toxics. What a horrible thing for us and our next generation. So I think if Taiwan and the States can learn from each other and work together on the environmental protection issues, it is no doubt that together we can make the world a better place. And this is the end of my presentation, and this is my reference. Thank you for listening.
We'd like to get back to the theme. My question is, how do America and Taiwan promote mercury monitoring system? Can you specifically point out the solution?
They set up a mercury monitoring network in the Asia Pacific region. Yeah. And I still remember when I was searching for information on the internet, there's kind of a chain on the Asia Pacific region, and they built up some kind of like detection station or like somewhat. So that's what they promote the mercury recycling system, mercury monitoring network.
So apparently there's already a mercury recycling system in place. What flaws do you feel like the mercury recycling system has now, and how can we improve on that?
I don't really know the answer to the question, but I think mercury recycling system is very useful in some kind of underdeveloped country because their recycling system is not as capable as ours. They could not like recycle their mercury emission efficiently. And thank you.
Are you from Kaohsiung?
No.
Okay. The reason I'm asking is, in Kaohsiung, there's an area close to what's called the Dream Mall, and there's a lot of empty land there, and that land is specifically polluted. It's polluted with a number of things, not just mercury, also PCBs and a lot of different kinds of things. Do you think Taiwan does a good job in not just recycling, but what about the past? Because Taiwan has had a very serious problem, whether it's the IHE or the land or just e-garbage. Do you think Taiwan is doing enough to address our past, the problems that we've had, because there's a lot of land that cannot be reclaimed or reused yet?
Okay. I think Taiwan in this field, I think is not enough, because I still remember when I was seeing Taiwan in this film of like shutting Taiwan's things, and I see a lot of drone cover station in coastline, but I have to say that building up some kind of just some station just cover the trash is not efficient. Because we know Taiwan was surrounded by ocean, and the ocean will smash the ground, and the ground will decreasing more and more in years. So the trash will bring back to ocean, and that cause a lot of problems.